Hello, everyone. This is Dan Gramza, and welcome to dangramza.com Market Studies for Tuesday, June 23rd. What we see here in the Russell is it's holding its own. That's Asia, a little softer, totally different picture than we saw in the other indices as we went through in the advanced video. What are we looking for here? Look for a sideways move, possibly lower, actually, in the Russell because of the behavior we're seeing in the entire complex. Very interesting, actually. Well, let's talk about currencies. And what we see in the British pound, a market breaking lower, and then it rallied a little bit. Asia now is basically unchanged in terms of that level. Dollar difference in that market, $1,043.75. So what do we look for here? Sideways move. I think the dollar is going to stay dominant. And when we look at the 10-year notes, ooh, it's firming up. That means prices are firming up, and it means that yields are coming down. Ooh, that would be positive for gold and silver. But copper, fundamentally it's bullish, but we're just not seeing the commitment of buyers there. It did trade above its buy level, and right now it's trading below it. So that's not productive. Dollar difference here in that market is $2,250 a contract. When we look at crude oil, weakness is what we expect to see. I am looking for a down day on Tuesday. The Strait of Hormuz has some flows going through it. Let's see if that can be maintained. But downward pressure as supply picks up would be expected in that market. But we look at corn, the idea that China may be back here doing something, I think is a part of what we're seeing. We're seeing some positive fundamentals as well. So further movement to the downside, that's a very good possibility, but we're also approaching levels that we found buyers before. So it's not necessarily going to be easy to cut through that. So an inside to higher move is what I'm looking for. Well, those are my thoughts for today. Thank you for joining me. Look forward to being with you again. And as always, take care.